Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be looking at the male anatomy and we're going to be going over kind of the layers of tissues from the abdominal wall and how it changes underneath that arcuate line into the scrotum. So notice right here that we're supposed to draw in all of this right here. So I will show you how I drew it in, and then we will cover this information. It is located in the picture. One thing that I would go ahead and write in though is these are what they change into as we pass that arcuate line down into the scrotum. So that peritoneum that we talked about in the last video talking about the um, descent of the testicles, right? Tunica vaginalis and um, all those others, uh, you'll be able to see it in this video. You won't have to draw them in, but just a quick reminder, here's those layers again. I brought up in an earlier video of the skin, the fat, this fascia that sits in between external oblique, and then here's that intermediate layer fascia, internal oblique, deep layer fascia, transverse abdominis, and then we have transversus fascia, and then peritoneum, just so you can get that reminder. So looking at the picture for this one, let's go over uh, the numbers really quick. So these are the layers of the stomach, or the abdomen, that I drew in. So one being peritoneum, so this is deep, this is superficial. So one thing you'll want to write in though is in number 3, so the transversalis fascia, that is where we are going to have number 8, which is that deep inguinal ring right there. After you got that drawn in, uh, right here at the tip of the penis, this is going to be your glans penis. This is going to be your prepuce right here, also known as the foreskin. Number 1, that is going to be your tunica vaginalis. Right here on top of the testicle. As we open up this layer though, this is the processus vaginalis that we learned on the last page. Number 2, it doesn't change as it comes down in the scrotum, but that's just your subserous fat. Number 3 is going to be this transversalis fascia uh, in the abdomen, but turns into the internal spermatic fascia. So this is just a layer of fascia. 4, it doesn't change, is going to be transversus abdominis. 5, we see changes, and what it is it's transversus abdominis muscle that turns into your cremaster muscle. So right here we see the muscle that comes around the testicle and around the spermatic cord. Over here on this layer, you can see that they've removed that external spermatic fascia layer. So we have that cremaster muscle. Here's that fascia again, lining right there. 7 is just going to be the skin. 8, we covered already, that deep inguinal ring. 9 is going to be the superficial ring. So that's where that spermatic cord is going to come out of, right there. 10 is going to be your vas deferens. It's going to be this right here, coming right out of the epididymis on the back side. And 11 it's just depicting all of this information right here. Right here we have testicular nerve, we have the testicular artery, and then testicular vein. And that is all encased in this internal spermatic fascia, which is encased by the cremaster muscle, which is enveloped around inside the external spermatic fascia. Between the testicles, you have what's called the scrotal septum, separating the two, right there. And just like this is saying, on the right side you have more superficial layers, where on the left is the deep layers. So that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully it was helpful to see this, but then to also go back and review the layers of the abdomen to understand what this is right here. But that's it for this one. Hopefully it helped, and we'll see you in the next one.
Alright, I just want to give credit where credit is due. These are the books and the resources I used for the videos. So first we have Essentials of Human Anatomy by Dr. Kurt Walker. We then have Essential Clinical Anatomy by Keith L. Moore and M.R. Auger and Arthur F. Daly. I also used Structure and Function of the Human Body by Mark Nielsen and Jamie Garbett. The last book I have is The Concise Book of Trigger Points by Simon Neil Asher. And then I used the app called Complete Anatomy. As you've seen from the videos, it's amazing. If you can afford it, I suggest it. It's such a useful tool when learning this stuff. So that's it. Have a good day.